Hello, and welcome back to English Fluency Hub, your calm and reliable place to build strong English vocabulary day by day. I'm Alex, and in this long, focused episode, we are doing English Vocabulary Builder 80 Everyday Words with slow pronunciation and shadowing practice. This is one of the best ways to expand your word bank without stress. We will learn 80 simple, useful words that native speakers use constantly in daily life. Each word is pronounced very slowly and clearly, followed by its meaning, example sentences, and long instructions so you can repeat it many times, shadow my exact pronunciation, feel the rhythm, and then say it in your own voice. The words cover home, food, work, friends, feelings, time, weather, and more, grouped in small sets for easy learning. Take your time, breathe, and enjoy every word. Let's begin with the first 6 home-related words. Listen first. Home, pronounced slowly. Home. It means the place where you live. Now pause the audio and repeat home 4 times out loud. Shadow this sentence. I love my home. Now pause and repeat the sentence 3 times. Room, pronounced room. It means a space inside a house. Shadow. My room is clean. Now pause and say room 5 times. Kitchen, pronounced kitchen. The place where food is prepared. Shadow. I cook in the kitchen. Now pause and repeat the sentence 3 times. Bedroom, pronounced bedroom, where you sleep. Shadow. My bedroom is quiet. Now pause and say your own. My bedroom has. Excellent. Your pronunciation is already clearer.
Continuing home vocabulary. Let's make these words feel comfortable. Listen first. Bathroom, pronounced bath room, the place for washing. Now pause and repeat bathroom 4 times. Shadow. I brush my teeth in the bathroom. Now pause and repeat the sentence 3 times. Living room, pronounced live-ing room, the main relaxation area. Shadow. We watch TV in the living room. Now pause and say living room 5 times. Door, pronounced door, the entrance or exit. Shadow. Close the door, please. Now pause and repeat door slowly 4 times. Window, pronounced win-dough, for light and air. Shadow. Open the window for fresh air. Now pause and say window 3 times. Table, pronounced ta-bull, for eating or working. Shadow. The book is on the table. Now pause and create your sentence. On my table there is. Great. Home words are now yours.
Now, food vocabulary. Very practical for daily conversations. Listen slowly. Food, pronounced food, something we eat. Now pause and repeat food 4 times. Shadow. I like healthy food. Now pause and repeat the sentence 3 times. Water, pronounced water, the most important drink. Shadow. I drink water every hour. Now pause and say water 5 times. Bread, pronounced bread, common breakfast food. Shadow. I eat bread with butter. Now pause and repeat bread slowly. Egg, pronounced egg, protein-rich food. Shadow. I fry an egg for breakfast. Now pause and say egg 4 times. Fruit, pronounced fruit, healthy sweet food. Shadow. Apples and bananas are my favorite fruit. Now pause and list 3 fruits you like out loud. Vegetable, pronounced vegetable,
good for health. Shadow. I eat vegetables every day. Now pause and say vegetable 3 times. You're building food vocabulary step by step.
More food words. Let's add details. Shadow. Rice. Pronounced rice. Staple food in many countries. Now pause and repeat rice 4 times. Shadow. I cook rice with chicken. Now pause and repeat the sentence 3 times. Meat. Pronounced meat. Animal protein. Shadow. I don't eat meat on Mondays. Now pause and say meat 5 times. Soup. Pronounced soup. Warm liquid food. Shadow. Soup is good when I'm sick. Now pause and repeat soup slowly. Tea. Pronounced tea. Popular hot drink. Shadow. I drink green tea in the evening. Now pause and say tea 4 times. Coffee. Pronounced coffee. Energy drink. Shadow. Coffee helps me wake up. Now pause and create. I drink coffee because. Excellent. Your food word list is growing fast.
Work and job vocabulary. Useful for professional talk. Listen. Work. Pronounced work. What you do for money. Now pause and repeat work 4 times. Shadow. I go to work every morning. Now pause and repeat the sentence 3 times. Office. Pronounced office. Place of work. Shadow. My office is in the city center. Now pause and say office 5 times. Boss. Pronounced boss. Your manager. Shadow. My boss is very kind. Now pause and repeat boss slowly. Meeting. Pronounced meeting. Group discussion. Shadow. We have a meeting at 10. Now pause and say meeting 4 times. Computer. Pronounced computer. Main tool at work. Shadow. I use my computer all day. Now pause and create. At work, I use. You're sounding like a working professional.
More work words. Let's expand. Shadow. Email. Pronounced email. Electronic message. Now pause and repeat email 4 times. Shadow. I send many emails every day. Now pause and repeat the sentence 3 times. Task. Pronounced task. Job to do. Shadow. I have 3 tasks today. Now pause and say task 5 times. Colleague. Pronounced colleague. Co-worker. Shadow. My colleague helps me. Now pause and repeat colleague slowly. Salary. Pronounced salary. Monthly payment. Shadow. My salary comes at the end of the month. Now pause and say salary 4 times. Project. Pronounced project. Big task. Shadow. I'm working on a new project. Now pause and describe. My project is about. Great focus on work vocab. Free time and hobby words. Relaxing part. Shadow. Free time. Pronounced free time. When you don't work. Now pause and repeat free time 4 times. Shadow. I have free time in the evening. Now pause and repeat the sentence 3 times. Hobby. Pronounced hob. E. Activity for fun. Shadow. Reading is my favorite hobby. Now pause and say hobby 5 times. Music. Pronounced music. Sound for enjoyment. Shadow.
I listen to music to relax. Now pause and repeat music slowly. Book. Pronounced book. For reading. Shadow. I read a book before sleep. Now pause and say book 4 times. Friend. Pronounced friend. Person you like. Shadow. I meet my friend on weekends. Now pause and create my hobby is. You're relaxing with new words.
More free time words. Shadow. Walk. Pronounced walk. To go on foot. Now pause and repeat walk 4 times. Shadow. I take a walk in the park. Now pause and repeat the sentence 3 times. Game. Pronounced game. Fun activity. Shadow. I play games on my phone. Now pause and say game 5 times. Movie. Pronounced movie. Film to watch. Shadow. I watch movies on weekends. Now pause and repeat movie slowly. Sport. Pronounced sport. Physical activity. Shadow. Football is my favorite sport. Now pause and say sport 4 times. Travel. Pronounced travel. Go to new places. Shadow. I love to travel. Now pause and describe I want to travel to. Beautiful leisure vocab.
Evening and night words. Calm ending. Shadow. Evening. Pronounced evening. After afternoon. Now pause and repeat evening 4 times. Shadow. I relax in the evening. Now pause and repeat the sentence 3 times. Night. Pronounced night. Dark time. Shadow. Good night, sleep well. Now pause and say night 5 times. Sleep. Pronounced sleep. Rest with eyes closed. Shadow. I sleep 8 hours. Now pause and repeat sleep slowly. Dream. Pronounced dream. Pictures in sleep. Shadow. I had a nice dream. Now pause and say dream 4 times. Bed. Pronounced bed. Place to sleep. Shadow. I go to bed early. Now pause to describe at night I. You're ending the day with strong words. Reflection and positive words. Shadow. Today. Pronounced today. This day. Now pause and repeat today 4 times. Shadow. Today was a good day. Now pause and repeat the sentence 3 times. Happy. Pronounced hap-e. Feeling good. Shadow. I feel happy when I learn. Now pause and say happy 5 times. Thankful. Pronounced thankful. Grateful. Shadow. I'm thankful for my family. Now pause and repeat thankful slowly. Progress. Pronounced progress. Improvement. Shadow. I see progress in my English. Now pause and say progress 4 times. Tomorrow. Pronounced tomorrow. Next day. Shadow. Tomorrow will be better. Now pause and create I'm happy because or tomorrow I will. Great positive vocab.
Full review and repetition. Shadow favorites 5 times each. Home. Food. Work. Friend. Happy. Sleep.
Now groups. Home, 10 words. Food, 10. Work, 10. Free time, 10. Now pause the audio and repeat any group you want out loud, focusing on clear pronunciation. Your vocabulary is growing strong.
Thank you so much for completing this long vocabulary building episode. You've listened to, shadowed, and repeated 80 everyday words with deep focus. This is huge progress toward confident English. Replay your favorite sections often. Say the words out loud every day, and watch how naturally they come to you. I'm Alex, extremely proud of your consistent effort. Subscribe to English Fluency Hub, turn on notifications, and let's keep building your vocabulary every week. Bye for now. Repeat 5 new words before you sleep tonight.